Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about addition, but first, let's remember what we covered during the first semester. Do you remember the plus sign? Yes, this is the plus sign. What do I do when I see the plus sign? Excellent. I count everything all together. So here I have two sets of lollipops. First, let's count the first set alone. 1, 2. Great. Let's write 2 down. Let's count the second set. 1, 2, 3. Great. Let's write number 3 down. So here I counted each set of lollipops separately. But what will happen when I put the plus sign in between? I'm going to count everything all together. Good job. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Let's write 5 down. So my answer is 5. Great. I'm so proud of you. Whenever I see the plus sign, I count everything all together. Let's make it a little bit harder. Here I have two sets of balls. Uh-oh, I have the plus sign in between, which means I have to count everything all together. First, let's count the first set of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Let's write 7 down. Let's count the second set of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Let's write number 5 down. And now I will count everything all together, and I'm going to cross them out again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. So my answer is 12. Do you remember where do I write the answer? Excellent. I write my answer after the equal sign. Good job. Let's take another example. Here I have two sets of birds. Uh-oh, again I have the plus sign. So I have to count all the birds together. But first, let's count the first set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write number 5 down. Great, let's count the second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Let's write number 6 down. And now I have to count them all together and write my answer after the equal sign. Let's start counting again and crossing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great. So my answer is 11. I'm going to write it after the equal sign. Good job. Let's start and make it a little bit harder. I know you can do it. Here I have only numbers with no birds and no balls. Let's try and count them together. I have 7 plus 4. Okay. I want to know what's the sum of 7 plus 4. We can try and draw circles according to the number. So if I have number 7, I am going to draw 7 circles. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Then I have number 4. So I'm going to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So now it's a little bit easier. I can count crossing out all the circles together. So I'm going to count all the circles together and then I will know my answer. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great! So 7 plus 4 equals 11. And I'm going to write my answer after the equal sign. It's very easy. Okay, let's make it a little bit harder. And I know you could do it. Here I'm going to be using mental addition. I have 5 plus 3. And I want to know the answer. Okay, I have to count 5 plus 3 together. But how am I going to do it? First, I will see which is the bigger number, 5 or 3. Which one is bigger? Yes, it's 5. So I'm going to circle number 5. After I circle number 5, I'm going to put it in my mind. Okay, so now I have 5 in my mind. And the small number, which is number 3, I'm going to put it on my fingers. So I'm going to open 3 fingers and close 2 fingers on my hand. And I'm going to count after the bigger number that is in my mind. So after 5, I have 6, 7, 8. Great! So my answer is 8. Good job, everyone. 5 plus 3 equals 8. See? It's very easy. I know you can do it. Let's take another example. Also using the mental addition. I have 7 plus 2. Okay, so what will be the first step? Yes, I will see which is the bigger number. So 7 plus 2, which is bigger? 7. Good job. I'm going to circle number 7. And where will I put it? Yes, in my mind. And the small number, which is number 2, I'm going to put it on my fingers. So I will open 2 fingers on my hand and I'm going to close 3 fingers. And I will count after the big number that is in my mind. So after 7, 8, 9. I have no more fingers left. So my answer is 9. Good job. 7 plus 2 equals 9. It's super easy. I know you can do it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you very much. Bye!